My flight is 3 hours delayed. I think we're gonna depart soon, but because of this delay, I have to spend the night in Minneapolis. Finally getting on the plane to Boise from Minnesota.
We're in Idaho. It's hot. It's like a day at the beach.
We're at the Boise Contemporary Theater.
Should we go in?
The four seats. This is the entranceway. It's a little bar area.
Oh, fun chandelier.
You know about the ghost light in theaters?
No.
Like, so that's called the ghost light, and it's like a superstition that you can never have a completely dark theater. You'll see it in the light tomorrow.
Wow.
This is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Oh, love that. Sign me up.
It is still
We're going to the hot springs.
Oh, I shouldn't be surprised that they do too. Discovery and all, they took my finger and extended. Wow, there's stuff in there. At the other set of beads. Ammonia's makes a gesture. I say.
Driving over a dam.
He says, pointing to the clock. Cells are raised back in 2 hours, and I wouldn't want him to think human. Whatever serves as your.
This is one of the main streets.
I want the clock, which is
This is Idaho City. There was a power outage in this town yesterday, so it seems like a lot of stores are still closed. We're going to Leon's Cafe.
Let me
He's
out.
in jail. We got breakfast and coffee in Idaho City. Now we're headed to the hot springs.
You don't understand. He thinks of gravity. The two events he sent me back when we talked.
We're going over there.
Let's check out the TCP.
No dogs in or around. Is it hot?
It's probably like 99, 98. No, maybe like 95.
What did you think?
It was very refreshing. Hot and cold.
Apparently the river is very high today, so a lot of the pools are covered up. The pools were really hot today.
They were really hot.
Really hot.
Or really cold.
Tangible enough for you. Arid are only 16 light years apart. The galaxy is 100,000 light years wide. Life must be rare when we are so close together. Time. Earth, life, and astrophage are way ancestor into the cells I have today. I don't know what this.
We're at Wild Bill's Coffee and Bistro. It's wild. We switched to a German restaurant. There's the river. We're really into it. Yum.
Yum.
Got our meatloaf. We just stopped in Crouch for lunch. We went to this German spot that was really good. 5 out of 5.
5 stars.
We got postcards. That's Bread Rock, but you can't see the slice from this side, sadly. He's reading about something.
We found her.
Like,
We're gonna.
wait, you guys woke up at 5 a.m.?
We're gonna hit the road. We're gonna go.
We got our ice cream. Kenny's final day in Boise. We're going on a walk. It's very windy.
A bit chilly.
This is Boise State. That's the stadium.
The blue football
There's
field.
the river.
I'm just doing some blue turf thinking.
Go horses. Just sitting on a riverbank. There's a tree trimming competition.
Really impressive. Great safety communication.
Keep it safe and smooth.
Safe and smooth.
Jumping.
Is at your own risk? That's fun. That's very Western frontier.
Everything's at your own risk. Life of an artist.
The life of an artist.